Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade DIY sugar scrub. I love this sugar scrub so much. It is totally one of my beauty staples. It's great for exfoliating. You can use it anywhere. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your skin, all over your body. You can use it on sensitive skin. It's great as part of a shave routine to help prevent ingrown hairs. And yeah, it really smells amazing and it's completely all natural. Super quick and easy to make, only 3 ingredients that most people already have in their houses, so I hope you enjoy! Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you had a fun time making this sugar scrub and that you find it helpful for you. And yeah, I hope you have a really fun, relaxing weekend. Have a nice rest of your Saturday. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Heat so that you don't miss any future videos.